Hi, let's talk about social engagement as the third pillar of your 5 pillars of business success. So what is social engagement? It's basically at the core engagement on social media. And there are a couple of aspects to social engagement. Number one, it is to directly engage with people and having people engage with you as in a communication. But also number two, creating an audience. And especially with respect to social media, the audience that you create is your most valuable asset. So let's talk about social engagement, how you can go about building that. The first step is to find communities online where you want to engage. What does that mean? It means articles, groups, especially Facebook groups, blog posts, etc., that deal with the subject matter where you're going to find people that you want to engage with. So if you are a real estate agent in Florida and you want to engage with people that are looking to move to Florida, there are literally hundreds of groups on Facebook alone that you can reach out to communicate with these people. You can also go to YouTube and other channels and engage with people on articles. And so when it comes to engagement, there are 2 ways you can engage. The first way is to comment on content that is posted by others. So for example, on blog posts, on YouTube videos, on articles that you see published that are targeted at your audience, or on Facebook groups, by posting thoughtful comments and content that may be of value to those people. Number 2, you want to also respond to other people's comments or questions. So when somebody's posting a question, you want to create valuable content. You want to become visible as someone that is adding value to that community. And what will happen then is that people will start to follow you. You will get follow requests, friend requests, and the likes. The second thing you can do is when you see that somebody's asking a question. So for example, you're looking to find people that are moving to Florida, and there's someone in Canada that's asking a question about financing or down payments. You can post right there on the group because that is going to be valuable for everyone. But then you can also send a private message to that person and engage them further. And through that private messaging engagement, you can start build a relationship which then can lead to business. So again, social engagement can be very, very, very powerful. You don't have to be a content creator to engage in that. What you need to do is find places where your target audience is at, and then add value, not content necessarily, but value in the form of comments, in the form of answers to questions, etc. And you will start building an audience. People will reach out to you, but then also be proactive and reach out to others. And if you want to give it an added personalized twist when you send someone a private message on social media, don't just send a text message, send an audio message which will have a much, much higher response rate. Hope you found this helpful. My name is Heimann with Realty Partners.